This is Philips air purifier 800 series. This air purifier is with 49 meter square coverage. Clean air delivery rate 190. This is with touch control method. Power source is corded electric 2.3 kilogram. Filter type is HEPA, and it got 3 layers HEPA filtration, captures 99.5% of particles up to 0.003 microns to protect from pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or smog. Certified allergen friendly by ECARF. Quiet and efficient in sleep mode. Is run at only 19 decibel. Energy rating uses up to 20 watts to purify the air, less than traditional light bulb. Scan and visualize professional particle sensor. Scan for pollutants and intelligently choose the right speed. It will display the air quality in real time with an intuitive color ring. Philips has 80 years of expertise in air care. The product undergo 170 rigorous tests before release, ensuring top quality. Long-lasting filter with smart changing indicator. The filter lasts up to 1 year. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, and see what is inside. Information, recycle stuff, so this is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. And this is user manual. It's quite light, it's not heavy. So this will give you the information. So this is the power cable. This is where the power cable goes. You switch this on and off on this button. So take the power cable. And this is on and off button. This is air quality sensor, control panel. And this is air outlet. This is control panel. You touch on this to control. Then if you open up this section, and this is the filter. So open up the filter. Then you go in, and cover it. So switch this on. Quiet mode. Air quality light. This air quality light. And mode switch, filter reset button from top here. So the blue color is good air. Blue to purple is fair air quality. Purple to red is poor. Red is very poor. Using the air purifier, understanding the air quality. So the blue color is good air. Then blue and purple is fair. Purple/red is poor, and red is very poor. So like I did earlier, filtration, installing the filter, remove all packaging of the filter before use. Make sure that air purifier is unplugged from the electric outlet before installing it. Rotate the base anti-clockwise to remove it from the appliance. Pull the filter out of the appliance, remove the packaging material of the air purifier filter, pull the filter back into the appliances, reattach the base and rotate it clockwise to fasten the base. This is exactly what we did. Connecting the power, risky of electric shock when unplug the AC cord. Connecting the power, first power socket to the appliance, then connect it to the outlet. Turning on and off. For optimized purification performance, close doors and windows. Press the power button on the back of the air filter to switch it on. The air purifier operates in the auto mode by default. Button again to switch off the air purifier. So you press this to switch it off. Press it again to switch it on. You see red light, purple, blue. And this operates in auto mode. So this is what you have here. The filter is not washable or reusable. Always turn off the air purifier and unplug the electric outlet before replacing the filter. Vital Shield, error sense. Changing the mode setting. You can choose the auto mode, turbo mode or sleep mode by pressing the mode switch button on top. The brightness of the air quality lights reflect the current tuning mode. Sleep mode lowest brightness. Auto mode, the level of brightness increase, then turbo highest mode. Thank you.